Happy Tuesday. Yeah. Tuesday, it's like Monday. We'll get that trailer loaded up real quick, I guess. Yeah. We're gonna start the irrigation install at Stan's house, so get all the pipe on the trailer. Alright guys, a little foggy. It's a little warm today. I got 2 days of some heat here. But we're gonna go ahead and get started on the sprinklers. Fogged up again. It was Labor Day weekend and I came here yesterday and drug the bump cutter over everything. And you know, it's pretty decent. I'm gonna just touch up a few other places. This was an old field, so it's, you know, it's windrowed and things like that. The conditioner really just knocked the crabgrass out. It probably could have been ran, you know, a few more times to really level it out, but we're gonna go ahead and get started, get some diesel going, and get to it. Nice and foggy, sorry. I got the AC blasting in here. All right, it's 1-inch PEX. Dry. No leak. 1-inch PEX was no joke, man. I really am not a big fan of it, but no leaks up there. Valve is off to the outside, so we're going back out. All right, I think we located our last utility, the pump for the pump station. We traced that all the way up here to the house and found it, but my phone's ringing, so let's answer that. Anderson. All right, so Fred's gonna go ahead and just get our pipe glued together and sanding his fittings. Scotch-Brite, baby. Sponsors, where you at? Need a box. And then yeah, I'm gonna start trenching, so I'll start getting the irrigation laid out. We're gonna call it a half day, so not gonna kill ourselves. They took some of the high temps out this week, so all we gotta do is pretty much make it through today and tomorrow, and we're back on easy street. Hallelujah. Trenched in, but it's a dust bowl out here, guys. So marks are hard to find, but I found them. Son and I came and painted them yesterday, so just gonna clean out a couple intersections real fast, and then yeah, we're ready to put some stuff in the ground. I probably should add, we got rain coming tonight, so this stuff is so dry and powdery that it just wants to fall in. So I'm gonna try and get all the pipe in today, which shouldn't be that big of a deal. Laying out the Polly. Polly want a cracker? Polly want a cracker? Oh, I don't know if Polly wants a cracker. Polly smells so weird when it's hot. Like, it just smells like chemicals. Let's do it a little farther away from the trench so it doesn't cave in. There you go. It's literally like a dust bowl though. It's good. I got the wrong side.
Yeah.
No, I think you're good to walk. I'm just coming out the center this time. All right, go ahead and pull that puppy tight. All right, go ahead and cut it. You can cut it short. Actually, don't cut it short. You'll be all right. You'll be all right. What's funny? Pipe it. Yeah. This little stubby. Hey, that's a little stubby. This little stubby too. I got another box somewhere. Better. There better be another box of them in there.
Is there?
There better be. All right. Give me them cutters.
There you go.
All right. Before you go digging in there. Boy, these fuckers are dull as shit. I can tell you, I don't think I'm gonna like that now.
Why?
I just feel like having a bag and a bucket. I don't need those in there. You got the crimpers, right?
Towards right there.
Yeah. Is there an open one of these anywhere?
I didn't see. I said that was the one on top of the.
Why don't you go look for? Check in the buckets. It'd be right there, Fred. Right there and to your left. Yeah. Okay. Watch the trench. Okay. Crimp away. Yeah, we'll just take our sweet little fucking time and just stay in the shade. That's why.
Double.
Yep, that's why I like it.
I'll change it.
Alright, I went ahead and marked everything. Everything matches the layout that we had. So we're good. But all the dry dust, couldn't see the marks, so we're about to call it a day. Get a few tees in and then that's it. I was telling Fred how I had a airhead moment right after he took his month-long sabbatical, where I redid a manifold for some valves, and I was so hot and so tired that I crimped my poly when it was too hot and put a pinhole in it. So I cut my anyways, I had to cut the poly. While I was so hot and tired, I cut the wrong, in a manifold it looks like fingers, and let's say this is the one that had the leak. I cut this one. So I was like, man, I had a big giant brain fart. Fred said
brain farts.
I had a turf moment.
Turf moment.
So it's hot and stuff like that right now. So we're dealing with it. Well, our gas man's finally back. He's got us our regulator. So apparently the one they put on for the tank in the house won't work for what they do with the grill, even with the regulator you can buy. So I don't know. We're meeting their specifications. That way they can keep, since it's their tank, I guess, you know. So, getting her done. It's quitting time for us. We're tired. Alright, we're all cleaned up. And we're done for today. So, till tomorrow. See you later.